پادکست روان انگلیسی روزانه یک موضوع. به جلسه اول سطح مبتدی خیلی خوش اومدید. موضوع این جلسه روتین روزانه من یک روز کامل رو به انگلیسی میخوایم با هم صحبت کنیم. قبل از شروع چند تا نکته خیلی مهم راجع به این پادکست بهتون میگم. نحوه مطالعه این پادکست به این صورته که هر بخش رو گوش بدید، بعد متوقفش کنید، همون بخش رو یکی دو بار خودتون با صدای بلند تکرار کنید. فقط هر جاش لازم بود به ترجمه نگاه کنید. سعی کنید در ابتدای کار بدون ترجمه متوجه بشید. این پادکست ها سطح بندی شده و در حال گوش دادن به سطح مبتدی هستید. البته حتی اگر احساس میکنید مبتدی نیستید، این پادکست رو برای مرور حتما تا انتها گوش بدید و تکرار کنید. مطمئن باشید تا آخر این پادکست به خودتون افتخار میکنید و خیلی از باورهای اشتباه رو در یادگیری انگلیسی کنار میذارید. پس یا علی بریم شروع کنیم. Hello everyone and welcome to today's podcast. My name is Muhammad and I'm happy to be here with you. In this episode, I will talk about my daily routine. I will keep it simple and easy so you can understand and follow along. Every day, I wake up early in the morning. Usually, I get up at 6 o'clock. The first thing I do is wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I make a cup of tea or coffee. I like to drink tea because it makes me feel fresh and awake. After that, I have a light breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and cheese. Sometimes I eat eggs. Breakfast is very important for me because it gives me energy for the day. Next, I usually read a book or check my phone. If I have a time, I go for a short walk. Walking in the morning is very nice. The air is fresh and it makes me feel good. At around 8 o'clock, I start my work. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I usually work for a few hours. When I feel tired, I take a short break. I drink some water or eat a small snack. At noon, I have a lunch. My lunch is usually rice with vegetables or meat. After lunch, I sometimes rest for a while. Then I continue my work in the afternoon. In the evening, I finish work and relax. Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I listen to music or talk with my family. In summer, I like to walk outside in the park. At night, I have a dinner. My dinner is usually light, like soup or bread with cheese. After dinner, I spend some time reading or learning English. Learning English is fun for me, and I want to improve every day. Finally, at around 10 o'clock, I go to the bed. I like to sleep early because it's healthy. Good sleep gives me energy for the next day. This is my daily routine. It's simple, but it helps me stay happy and healthy. Thank you for listening to my podcast. Now, it's your turn. Tell me about your day in a few words. Tell me in comment. Thank you.